tired and fed up with you with your little fetish little thing.
Guys,
what do you mean?
Guys, you're on the air.
There's a new epidemic going around.
Yes, it's called Snoozola.
Back to you, Joel.
Hey, Chris! Wake up! Look! There's a virus spreading around! Chris, look!
Oh, and now we're back. We have to be very careful out here. It's a dangerous place. These monsters could come and contaminate.
Well, we're sorry for Joel. But anyways, Daniel, tell us the symptoms.
Okay, Francis. One of the symptoms is sneezing 4 times straight. Yes. The second one is uncontrollable reflexes. The third one is an urge to grab somebody's behind. And the fourth one is death.
Daniel, I have allergies!
No wonder I've been sneezing nonstop.
I mean, as long as it doesn't get in my mouth. Let's just try to keep our mind off of this.
Let's play the Wii!
Okay.
Yes! I win! Sorry, bro.
Yo, what you did that for? Oh no, it's the uncontrollable reflexes.
Shoo!
Oh. Let's go eat.
Okay. Shoo! Sorry, bro. Wanna go play outside?
Whatever. Yo, that cookie was so good, but it was a bit moist.
Dude, where did you get that cookie from?
Oh, in the kitchen. I was eating them. It was delicious, man.
Oh.
But whatever,
Okay.
let's go play some ball.
Yeah. Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Whoa, what are you doing?
I don't know, man. I just have this uncontrollable desire to touch people's butts. See? Bro, I'm not gonna die!
Oh, thank goodness. I thought you was gonna die.
Yeah.
Dude! What? How is this possible? How can I get the virus? I made sure I didn't open my mouth next to you.
Does Annie need your help?
Achoo!
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Jose, are you okay?
I'm dead, asshole.